Good morning, everybody. Don from Super Blast here. Here we are at the job. I got this big driveway to do. All this mold. The house needs it really bad. We'll look at that in a minute. All the way out there, that wall's got all green algae all over it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to SH the whole front of the house and SH it all the way back. SH this, get the surface cleaner out, get all this cleaned up and rinsed off. Then I'm going to back the rig into here. This way the hose reels are going that way. I can go down the side of the house there, wash all that, rinse it all the way back, go that way, rinse all this, do the side over there, then we'll be done with the job. The hose is up to the best water source over there, and that's about it. We'll set up our injector. This is my injector, 2.3 orifice. All right, let's go look at this mold over here real quick. All right, you can see this algae all over the front of the house. All that fascia and soffit up there has got mold all over it. This is all moldy. They have this tree here, so definitely makes some shade. And we're going to see if the drone's going to fly around in this area here. I don't know if it will. We're going to try it. All right, let's get after it. Let's go ahead and have a look at this wall. See how green it is? Algae all over it. Get this cleaned up. And Monday we'll be doing this, guys, over here. And that's my house over there. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. This is all done. We'll start the driveway there, get all this done up here, rinse our way down, SH that wall down there. We've already got the whole house in the front looking really good. Let's go look at this algae over here. What algae? All that looks freshly painted up there. We'll do some rinsing. We haven't rinsed it yet, so we're going to let it sit here for a little bit. Then we got some pump up stuff to do. As you can see along the bottom, it's turning orange over here. See that over there? It's nasty. How are you going to get that off? With a pump up sprayer, 12%. Everything else came out really nice. All right, let's get after it. We're going to move the van. I'm going to back the van up into this clean spot. Then the hoses will run across that way down the side. And we're going to go down this side first to the back. Rinse that all off. We also got some nasty algae on the side of the house over here. You can see it from here. See it over there? We're going to do that with the pump up as well. First, let's get the van where it needs to be. Get the water hooked back up, and then get this driveway banged out and that wall cleaned, and we'll be getting somewhere. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get after it, shall we? All right, we got our drone right there in front of you. It's gonna track me while I'm doing this driveway. Let's check it out, pretty neat. Pretty cool, huh? Get you one, DJI, if you can get one. The Mini 4 Pro is the best one to get. All right, let's get after it. There you have it. Pretty fast. We did pick up the roof job. We'll be doing that Wednesday. Very dirty. All we got left is down to the bottom here. Get this wall cleaned off, and then we'll rinse everything down. I'm going to go around and treat these orange spots that I showed you before with the pump up. And then we'll be back for a final review. I think we've seen enough cleaning for one day. And then we also have another house wash and driveway and sidewalks to do after this job. All right. I'm Don for Super Blast. Business is good. Let's get after it. Hey, let's have a look. Place came out really nice. All that orange down the side of the house, all gone. Gutters and everything's clean. Look at this concrete. We don't need to walk through this mud to go back there. You can see what that looks like. Looks great. Driveway came out nice and spiffy. Let's go around the front. Look at the orange stuff. How beautiful that came out. Looks really good. All that orange stuff that was in front, all gone. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast, and that's a wrap. Hey, everybody. Get after it. Here we are, job number 2. 2-story house. Driveway's not really bad. Looks like they're getting some stuff off the porch for me back there. Some cement back there around the back we got to get cleaned off. But the house isn't really that dirty. It just needs a rinse. Got some accumulation of some bugs and stuff like that. Just light stuff. Doing a spring cleaning early. So we'll come around the front. Might be able to see what I'm talking about. See how that peak goes like this and then comes down. See all that stuff right there? Pretty dirty. Got some dinginess going on. So we'll start over there by the garage. We'll come around. SH all that. There's some stuff up there in the soffits. Some cocoons and stuff like that. We'll get all that done. Get this driveway knocked out. Doesn't even really need to get done, but we'll go over it. He wants it done. So we're going to get after it. Let me get the drone out, fly it around, see how that works out. All right, let's get after it. completely done on that side, all the way around down this side. We just gotta rinse this side corner off up towards the back. The drone's been flying around. It just came out here and landed all on its own. It's at its home point, so that's a good thing. That's a good thing, right? Anyway, we'll be back for a final review. This driveway really doesn't need to be cleaned, but we're going to clean it anyway because that's what they want to have it done. All right, let's get after it. We'll see you after the job. Hey, how's it going, everybody? Hey, I didn't do the final review of that job, but trust me, it came out squeaky clean. The homeowner was very happy, but I thought I'd come in and tell you that instead of leaving you hanging. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. We got a 3-car driveway and a 2-car driveway, and that'll be it. It's going to be all about concrete. Let's see how dirty it is when we get there. Until then, have a good evening, and always, always get after it.